In this Leader Feeder, we'll look at how to avoid the top disciplinary mistakes that leaders can make. Correcting unacceptable behavior and performance is a part of a leader's responsibilities. But as a leader, when you don't do it well, you'll end up more frustrated than before you started. So let's take a look at the top mistakes that leaders make when conducting a disciplinary conversation. Mistake number 1, poor preparation. Be sure to take a few minutes to gather your documentation and evidence so that you can communicate the problem correctly and fully with the employee. Mistake number 2, fuzzy expectations. It's important to be clear about what you want, when you want it, and why. Mistake number 3 is lecturing versus engaging. Ask questions so that the employee stays engaged during the discussion. That could include a question about impact. How do you think your absenteeism affects your coworkers? Or it could be a question about how the employee will solve the problem. How can you ensure you report to work when you're scheduled? Mistake number 4, getting off track. Many leaders, in a spirit of trying to be helpful, end up agreeing to more action items than the employee does. Unless the employee raises information you weren't aware of, you should stick to your agenda. Mistake number 5, focusing on others. Some employees will claim that other employees are also doing the unacceptable behavior. Avoid telling one employee what you might do to other team members. Stay focused on the employee in front of you. Mistake number 6, being too negative. Avoid letting your tone get too aggressive. Remember that the intent is to change the behavior, not punish it. Convey your positive intent that the employee can and will meet your expectations in the future. By avoiding the pitfalls of conducting a disciplinary meeting, you as the leader will increase the probability that the employee will change their behavior and meet your expectations. That Leader Feeder was brought to you by the Frontline Leadership 2-Day Program. Whether you have us deliver it on-site or you just send people to our public workshop, the 2-day program covers all the essential skills every frontline supervisor, manager, or team leader needs to be more effective. To inquire and to see where the course is being offered or to arrange for it to be delivered on-site, visit us online at uniquedevelopment.com.